Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics. You've probably seen your fair share of F1-Style brake lights on Subaru builds. Many of them looking the part, however falling short when it comes to actual performance and long-term reliability. Now, it's our turn to raise the bar. Introducing our all-new C2R fourth brake light kits. A true plug-and-play solution powered by our all-new C2R LED Pod and designed specifically for a range of Subaru platforms. This kit is designed to replace the blank center rectangular trim piece in the rear bumper. That spot is actually used for a factory rear fog lamp in international markets. However, USDM models didn't receive it. Our kits bring that look back, delivering a clean JDM-style upgrade while enhancing visibility and safety in a big way. Our vehicle-specific kits feature a custom-designed mounting bracket that houses the C2R pod with a flush factory-style fit. No gaps, no guessing, just a clean OEM-style fit that looks right at home on your Subaru. The C2R 4th brake light kit provides 3 fully integrated functions. You get a red running light that turns on with your tail lamps, a high-power brake light that has the option to strobe for added safety, and a bright white reverse light that seriously improves rear visibility when backing up. Plus, installation couldn't be any easier. Each kit includes a plug-and-play taillight harness that connects directly to your factory wiring. There's no splicing, no tapping, and no custom work. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. While most aftermarket options are a basic plastic housing with some LEDs, this is the first of its kind. The C2R LED Pod in this kit uses the latest in TIR optic technology, engineered to focus and direct light where it matters most. This isn't just about style, it's true functional performance. Every kit's built with OEM-grade materials. The pod itself has a full aluminum housing and automotive-grade connectors throughout. It's engineered to withstand the harshest environments and deliver reliable output for years to come. Like the rest of our Stage Series lineup, this kit is backed by our industry-leading limited lifetime warranty. We currently offer 4th brake light kits for several Subaru models, including the 2015 to 2021 and 22 Plus WRX, the 2013 to 2017 Crosstrek, the 2008 to 2014 WRX Sedan, as well as the 2012 to 2016 Impreza Hatchback and Sedan. From clean styling and true performance optics to seamless integration and rock-solid reliability, the C2R sets a new standard for Subaru 4th brake lights. If you're interested in picking up a kit for your Subaru or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you would like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.